Daily English Café.
Your cozy space for real-life English.
You're in the elevator, doors about to open, it's your first day at work, and your mind goes blank.
And suddenly you forget your own name.
Exactly. If that's ever been you, today's episode is your survival guide.
We'll give you the exact phrases to sound calm, professional, and confident, even if you're nervous inside.
Welcome back to Daily English Café. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ryan.
Today's topic is first day at work. What to say to sound confident.
This is going to be super practical. Real phrases, natural American English, and lots of mini role plays.
And we'll also show you how to ask questions without sounding insecure.
Because confidence isn't about sounding perfect, it's about sounding clear.
Quick reminder, as you listen, don't just understand. Repeat out loud.
Even quietly, under your breath, it helps.
All right, let's set the scene.
Picture this. You walk in, new office, new faces. You're holding a coffee like it's emotional support.
And you're trying to look like you totally belong there.
So what's the first thing you say?
The simplest confident opener is this. Hi, I'm Ryan. It's great to meet you.
Classic, clean, professional.
Notice, it's great to meet you, not just nice to meet you. Both are fine, but it's great sounds warmer.
Here are 3 versions you can use. Hi, I'm Ryan. It's great to meet you. Hey, I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you. Good morning. I'm Ryan. Really nice to meet you.
Let's talk about the vibe. If it's a more formal workplace, good morning is perfect.
If it's more relaxed, hey is normal too.
But if you're not sure, choose the safer one.
Good morning. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Now, after you meet someone, there's usually a tiny pause.
That awkward moment where you don't know what to say next.
So here's a confident follow-up question. How's your morning going so far?
That's a great one. It's friendly, but not too personal.
Or you can say, how's your day going? How's it going? How's everything so far?
And if you want to sound extra positive on day 1, try this. I'm excited to be here.
Yes, simple, confident.
Not too intense, not fake, just positive.
Let's role play. I'll be the new employee, you be the coworker.
Hi there, you must be Sarah.
Hi, yes, I'm Sarah. It's great to meet you.
Great to meet you too. I'm Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. How's your morning going so far?
Pretty good. Mondays are always busy.
I get that. I'm excited to get started, and also I'm still learning where everything is.
Totally normal. I can show you around.
That line, I'm still learning where everything is a friendly, confident way to admit you're new.
You're not apologizing, you're just being realistic.
Exactly. Another version is, I'm still getting my bearings.
That one is very natural. Getting my bearings means getting used to a new place or situation.
Say it with us. I'm still getting my bearings.
I'm still getting my bearings.
Now, what if you forget someone's name like 2 seconds after they say it?
The first day classic.
Here's the confident way. Sorry, remind me of your name again?
That's polite and normal.
You can also say, Sarah, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Or, can you remind me how to pronounce your name?
That one is really respectful.
What you want to avoid is sounding stressed. Like, I forgot. Sorry, I'm so bad with names.
Exactly. Don't insult yourself. Just ask normally.
Okay, next big moment. Meeting your manager.
This is where people get nervous and start overthinking every word.
So, let's make it easy.
Here are confident first day manager phrases. Thanks for having me. I'm really happy to be here. I appreciate the opportunity. I'm excited to get started. Thanks for taking the time. I'm looking forward to working with the team.
Notice the tone. Calm, professional, forward-looking.
And you can keep it short. Short is confident.
Yes, you don't need a speech.
Role play. You be the manager.
All right. Good morning, Sarah. Welcome aboard.
Good morning. Thank you, Ryan. I'm excited to be here.
Great. Let's get you set up.
Sounds good. And just so I'm aligned, what are the top priorities for my first week?
Ooh, that's a strong question.
Right? Just so I'm aligned is a very workplace phrase. It means I want to make sure I understand the goal.
Here are a few smart question starters that sound confident. just to make sure I understand, just so I'm clear, just so we're on the same page. I want to make sure I'm aligned with your expectations.
Those are powerful because they show you care about doing the right thing.
And they prevent mistakes. That's confidence.
Another key question for day one is communication style. What's the best way to communicate with you? Email, chat, or quick check-ins?
That's excellent.
Or how do you prefer I share updates?
That one sounds very professional.
Or even, how often would you like updates from me?
And if your manager gives you a task, you can clarify like this. Got it. And what does success look like for this task?
Love that. That's next level.
It means, what result do you want? What's the goal?
Let's do a mini practice. I'll say a confusing task. You respond confidently. Okay, Ryan, can you handle the onboarding stuff today?
Sure. Just so I'm clear, do you mean setting up my accounts and completing the paperwork? Or is there anything else you'd like me to include?
Perfect.
Calm clarification, no panic.
Another confident phrase is, let me repeat that back to make sure I got it.
Nice.
Example, so you'd like me to review the document, summarize the key points, and send it to you by 3 p.m. Is that right?
That is extremely professional, and it prevents misunderstandings.
Now let's talk about asking for help.
Because on day one, you will need help.
Everyone does. Even CEOs had day ones.
The key is asking in a way that shows effort.
Yes, don't say, I don't know, help.
Instead, say, I took a look at it and I have a quick question.
Or, I tried a couple of options and I want to make sure I'm choosing the right one.
That line tells people you already tried.
And that sounds confident.
Here are 3 confident help requests. When you have a minute, could you point me in the right direction? Could you walk me through the process one time, just so I do it correctly? I want to make sure I'm following the team's usual approach. Which version do you prefer?
I love that last one. Team's usual approach.
It shows respect for the workplace culture.
Role play. You're a busy coworker.
Okay.
Hey, Ryan, do you have a minute?
I've got about 5 minutes. What's up?
Perfect. I'm setting up the report template. I tried using the standard format, but I want to make sure I'm matching the team's usual approach. Which version do you prefer?
Great question. Use the second template. I'll send it to you.
Awesome. Thanks. I really appreciate it.
That sounded like a pro.
Because it's calm, specific, and respectful of time.
Now, what if someone asks you something and you don't know the answer?
This happens a lot on day one.
The worst thing you can do is guess confidently and be wrong.
Exactly. Confidence includes honesty.
Here are safe, confident phrases. That's a great question. Let me double check and get back to you. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I can find out. I don't want to give you the wrong info. Let me confirm.
Notice how calm that is.
No embarrassment, no stress, just accuracy.
Let's add a time promise. Let me check, and I'll follow up this afternoon.
Or I'll circle back in about an hour.
Circle back means return to the topic later. Very common.
And if you want to sound extra organized, say this. I'll look into it and send you a quick update.
Sarah, beautiful. Okay, let's talk about meetings.
Day one often includes introductions in a meeting.
That moment when everyone looks at you like, tell us about yourself.
And your brain goes empty.
So here's a simple, confident intro script. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I just joined the team as a marketing assistant. I'm excited to work with you all and I'm looking forward to learning the process.
Perfect.
Short, clear, friendly.
Here are 2 more natural versions. Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm new to the team. I'll be working on customer support. Excited to meet everyone. Hey everyone, I'm Ryan. I'm joining as a project coordinator. Really happy to be here.
If you want to add personality, you can add one small detail. Outside of work, I'm really into coffee and podcasts.
But keep it short. 1 detail is enough.
Yes, don't overshare.
Now, small talk.
The lunchroom conversations, the hallway chats.
The part that feels awkward in a second language.
Let's make it easy. Here are safe, small talk starters at work. How's your week going so far? Are you working on anything interesting today? How long have you been with the company? Any tips for a first week?
That last one is great. Any tips for a first week?
People love giving advice.
And it makes you look humble, not clueless.
Also the classic. Any weekend plans?
Super normal.
If they say, not much,
You can say, honestly, same, just relaxing.
that's natural.
Let's role play a lunch conversation.
Okay.
Hey Sarah, how's your first day going?
It's going well, thanks. Everyone's been really welcoming. How about you?
Pretty busy, but good.
I'm still getting my bearings. Any tips for the first week?
Yeah. Take notes, ask questions, and don't try to memorize everything on day one.
That's helpful. Thanks. By the way, how long have you been here?
About 2 years.
Nice. What do you like most about working here?
Honestly, the team. People are supportive.
That's great to hear. Notice how that conversation is simple.
And the questions keep it flowing.
Now let's talk about sounding confident without sounding rude.
This is huge. Some learners think confidence means being super direct.
But at work, confident English often includes softeners,
Softeners are words that make you sound polite and professional.
like could, would, and a few common phrases.
Examples. Could you help me with this when you have a moment? Would you mind taking a quick look? If you have a second, can I ask you something?
These sound respectful.
And they're still confident because they're clear.
Also, quick is a magic word. Quick question, quick check, quick update.
It makes your requests feel light.
Let's practice. Say, quick question.
Quick question.
Now say, when you have a moment.
When you have a moment.
Nice. Those phrases will save you.
Another area is agreeing and disagreeing politely.
Day one, you might not disagree much, but you might need to share ideas.
Confident agreement phrases. That makes sense. I agree with that. I'm on the same page.
Confident but polite disagreement phrases. I see what you mean. I'm wondering if we could try another option.
Great.
Or, that's a good point. Another approach might be,
That sounds professional, not negative.
or a simple one, I'm not sure that will work in this case. What if we...
Nice. Direct, but respectful.
Let's talk about the voice.
The voice?
Yes, how you sound matters.
On day one, people speak too fast because they're nervous.
Exactly. If you slow down slightly, you sound more confident.
And clearer.
Here's a tip. Say, end your sentences.
So many learners drop their voice at the end like they're asking a question.
Like, I'm Sarah?
Right. Instead, I'm Sarah.
Confident. Finished.
Also, don't overuse fillers.
Like, you know,
A little is normal, but too much sounds unsure.
if you need a pause, just pause.
Silence can be confident.
Now, mistakes.
You will make mistakes.
Everyone does.
Confidence is how you handle them.
Here are professional apology phrases. Thanks for your patience. I appreciate you catching that. You're right, that was my mistake. I'll fix it right away.
Those are perfect.
Notice you're not dramatic.
You're not saying, I'm so sorry, I'm terrible, please forgive me.
Exactly. Calm correction.
Role play. You made a small mistake.
Okay.
Hey, Sarah, I think this file is the older version.
Oh, good catch. Thanks for pointing that out. I'll update it and resend it in a few minutes.
Great.
And just to confirm, you want the latest version with the new numbers, right?
Yep.
Perfect. I'll take care of it.
That's how you sound confident.
You own it, fix it, and confirm.
Now let's do something fun.
A rapid-fire phrase workout.
I'll say a situation, Sarah gives a confident phrase.
Let's go.
Situation 1. You arrive and you're introduced to the team.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. It's great to meet you all. I'm excited to work with you.
Nice. Situation 2. Someone explained something fast and you didn't understand.
Sorry, could you say that one more time a little slower?
Perfect.
Or could you walk me through that again? I want to make sure I understood.
That's even more professional. Situation 3. You need help, but you don't want to interrupt.
When you have a moment, could I ask you a quick question?
Excellent. Situation 4. You got a task and you want clarity.
Just to confirm, you'd like this done by end of day, right?
Great. Situation 5. You don't know the answer.
Let me double check and get back to you. I don't want to give you the wrong info.
Perfect.
Now, I want to add something important.
What's that?
Confidence is also body language, but since this is audio, we'll focus on the language.
So let's give a few power phrases that instantly sound confident.
Yes, these are gold.
Phrase 1. Sounds good.
So simple, but it sounds ready and positive.
Phrase 2. Absolutely.
Use it naturally, not too much.
Right, not every sentence.
Phrase 3. Great question.
That phrase buys you a second to think, and it sounds respectful.
Phrase 4. I can take care of that.
Love it. Very confident.
Phrase 5. Let's do that.
It sounds like you're part of the team already.
Now, let's do a longer role play.
Full first day storyline.
Yes, from walking in, to meeting the manager, to joining a meeting, to asking for help.
Let's do it.
Good morning.
Morning. You must be the new hire.
Yes, I'm Sarah. It's great to meet you.
Great to meet you too. I'm Ryan from the team. How's your morning going so far?
Good so far, thanks. I'm excited to be here. I'm still getting my bearings, but everyone's been really welcoming.
That's good. Have you met your manager yet?
Not yet. I'm supposed to meet her at 9.
Perfect. She's really nice. Want me to show you where the conference room is?
That would be great. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here we are.
Awesome. Thanks again.
Hey, quick heads up. The team meeting's at 10, and they usually do quick introductions.
Good to know. I'll keep my intro short and simple.
That's the move.
Hi, are you Emma?
Yes, you must be Sarah. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. It's great to meet you. I'm excited to get started.
We're happy to have you. Let's talk about your first week.
Sounds good. And just so I'm aligned, what are the top priorities for me this week?
Great question. First, onboarding and access. Second, shadowing the team. Third, a small project so you can learn our workflow.
Perfect. And what's the best way to communicate with you? Email, chat, or quick check-ins?
Chat is fastest. Email for anything that needs to be tracked.
Got it. And how often would you like updates?
A quick update at the end of the day is fine for the first week.
Absolutely. I can do that.
Okay, I'm going to send you a list of tasks.
Great. And one more question. What does success look like for the small project?
I want to see your process. Ask questions, take notes, and send a clean summary.
Perfect. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. 10 o'clock meeting time.
Here we go.
All right, everyone. We have someone new joining us. Sarah, want to introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. I just joined the team as a marketing assistant. I'm excited to work with you all, and I'm looking forward to learning the process.
Welcome, Sarah.
Thanks. It's great to meet everyone.
After the meeting.
Hey, Ryan, quick question.
Sure. What's up?
I'm setting up my first report. I tried using the standard template, but I want to make sure I'm matching the team's usual approach. Which version do you prefer?
Great question. Use the Q4 template. I'll send it to you.
Awesome. Thanks. I really appreciate it.
Later. Hey, Sarah, do you know who approves the final report?
That's a great question. I'm not 100% sure yet. Let me double check and get back to you this afternoon.
Perfect. Thanks.
End of day. Hi, Emma. Quick update before I log off. I completed onboarding, joined the team meeting, and started the first report template. Tomorrow, I'll finish the summary and share it with you for feedback.
That sounds so professional.
And it's simple, clear, confident.
That whole storyline, that's what we want for you.
Exactly. Not perfect English, confident communication.
Now, let's recap the key idea.
Confidence is clarity plus calm.
And a little bit of preparation.
So here's your mini checklist for your first day at work. 1. Start with a simple intro. Hi, I'm Sarah. It's great to meet you.
2. Ask a friendly follow-up question. How's your day going?
3. Use alignment phrases. Just to confirm, just so I'm clear.
4. Ask smart questions about priorities and communication. What are the top priorities for my first week? What's the best way to communicate with you?
5. If you don't know, don't guess. Let me double check and get back to you this afternoon.
6. If you make a mistake, stay calm. Good catch. I'll fix it right away.
Now it's your turn.
After this episode, pick 5 phrases and practice them out loud.
Say them slowly, then say them faster.
And imagine the situation.
Before we go, one more thing.
What's that?
You deserve to be there.
Yes.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect to be professional.
Confidence is not about sounding like a dictionary.
It's about being understandable, respectful, and clear.
If this episode helped you, do 3 things.
Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next conversation.
Leave a comment with 1 phrase you want to practice.
And share this episode with a friend who's starting a new job or just wants to sound more confident at work.
Thanks for listening.
And we'll see you in the next Daily English Café.